Congress party star campaigner Priyanka Gandhi Vadra slamming Modi and Kejriwal says, I have not seen such crybaby leaders. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra says, I quote her here, Modi ji says because of Nehru, many works were stalled. For all the work he is unable to do, he immediately blames Nehru as an excuse. Kejriwal, then she goes on to mention Kejriwal and says, Arvind Kejriwal says he's unable to work due to Modi ji. I have not seen such crybaby leaders. Of campaigning have gone all out to target both Prime Minister Modi and otherwise an India bloc ally, Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party, saying both have only said and made excuses.
मोदी जी कहते हैं कि नेहरू जी की वजह से ऐसे बहुत काम है जो हो नहीं पाए, कि ये देश रुक गया नेहरू जी की वजह से। जो कर नहीं पाते फट से नेहरू जी का नाम निकाल के बहानेबाजी शुरू करते हैं कि नहीं। और केजरीवाल जी क्या कहते हैं कि मोदी जी की वजह से काम नहीं कर सकते। ऐसे रोंदू नेता मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं देखे।
इस बजट को आज देखें, अगर नेहरू जी के जमाने में आप 12 लाख रुपए कमाते होते तो 12 लाख रुपए की आय पर आपकी 1/4 सैलरी सरकार वापस ले लेती, टैक्स में चली जाती। अगर आप आज इंदिरा जी का जमाना होता तो 12 लाख की कमाई पर आप करीब सुनकर के चौंक जाएंगे। अगर आज इंदिरा जी की सरकार होती और 12 लाख पर आपके 10 लाख रुपया टैक्स में चले जाते, उनके जमाने में ये था, इसलिए मैं समझा रहा हूं। 10-12 साल पहले तक कांग्रेस की सरकार में अगर आप 12 लाख कमाते तो आपको 2,60,000 रुपया टैक्स में वापस देना पड़ता। अब भाजपा सरकार के कल के बजट के बाद साल में 12 लाख रुपया कमाने वाले को 1 रुपया।
मोदी जी कहते हैं कि नेहरू जी की वजह से।
All right, so that's what the leaders are currently bickering about. My colleague Rahul Gautam is joining me. Rahul, good morning. Clearly, it's the last leg of campaigning, no scathing and a very strong word used by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
Absolutely, Pooja. And I'll just show you some live visuals here from Jangpura constituency. You can see the Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is now campaigning in Jangpura, and she's going to door-to-door campaign in order to enhance the prospects of a Congress candidate here. Remember, after Kejriwal, this is Manish Sisodia's seat on which Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is campaigning. So clearly, Congress has realized that, if it really wants to get revived in the national capital, then they have to get their vote bank back. And because of the fact that Jangpura is a Dalit Muslim minority seat, so therefore Congress is essentially focusing on this particular seat. Remember, today the campaigning will be ending by 5 p.m. So therefore, in this last leg, all the parties, including that of Congress, they are investing all their energy, all their efforts to ensure and to maximize the output. In fact, you can see now Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, she has been specifically interacting with female voters, given the fact that in last couple of elections we have seen that how female voters have gained prominence and relevance in terms of elections. So therefore, she is focusing on female voters, and after Jangpura, she will be going to Kasturba Gandhi Nagar. So clearly, on one hand, you have BJP and Aam Aadmi Party trying to create their own narrative. On the other side, you have Congress party. And, earlier there was some criticism that how Gandhis and top leadership of Congress is not as active as they should be. But in the past, 1 week, we have seen that how Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, they are holding 2 to 3 rallies, every day. And in fact, Mallikarjun Kharge also, addressed 2 public rallies. So clearly, and apart from these 3, the entire leadership of Congress, the other state leadership, they are also in a campaign in the national capital. So as far as Congress is concerned...
Very important, Rahul, as you're showing us this last leg of campaigning visuals of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra there. It is, just to give a background to the viewers, Jangpura is going to be very important. That's where Manish Sisodia is contesting against Farhad Suri of Congress Party, for whom Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is campaigning for. And then from the BJP, there is Tarvinder Singh Marwa. Each of these leaders in Jangpura constituency are very important. They are locally big names, especially Farhad Suri, for whom she is campaigning presently door to door and charging at Modi and Kejriwal to say they just keep crying. ऐसे रोंदू नेता मैंने नहीं देखा. I haven't seen leaders who are such crybabies, always making excuses. But the question is, what you see closely on your screens, Priyanka Gandhi's door-to-door campaigning. Is it too little, too late for the Congress party to have come into this competition when BJP and AAP have been since day one with their star campaigners on the roads? But February 5, people of Delhi decide who they want to be led by.